Hello, you may be wondering what this is, and that is a good question, because as far as I know, no one's made one of these before. I call it the external control unit, and I made it for my computer so that everything that you need to access on the computer can be accessed remotely. So it's connected to the computer by a 5-meter wire, and the computer is in another room. I've explained the computer itself, which is made out of wood also, in my previous video, so click here if you want to have a look at that first. We've got the power button here, audio jacks which go directly to the sound card, and there are 3 because it's from various configurations of inputs and outputs, whether it mutes or not. There's the volume control here for the inbuilt amp, which is turned on by this button. Now if it was plugged in at the back, you'd see a little LED light up there. Now we've got the optical drive, which obviously does everything a desktop optical drive does, only this one was from a laptop. We've got the multi-card reader, an additional SD card slot, and there's an infrared receiver here for a remote control. And the power LED here flashes if I press a button on the remote control like so. There's the hard drive indicator here, which flashes when there's hard drive access, and 2 USB ports. On the back there is the wire. This is the only wire that needs to be connected, unless you count the power lead for the amplifier, which just goes in there. 2 more USB ports for like a mouse or keyboard or whatever. Bass output and microphone input, and these noggins are for the speakers. As you can see, it's finished nicely in wood. There's hardwood on the top here, and the rest is actually veneer, which is still wood obviously. So as you can see, it looks quite nice and quite retro, and means that you can't really hear the computer when it's in use because you can have it in another room. If you want to have a look at how I built this, have a look at the next video where I take the cover off and show you what's inside. If you like this, please give the video a thumbs up, and hopefully